wala pa tayong signal. Thank you, allow me to share upcoming. You're welcome. Anyway, I'm just coming here for update. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Kay. Here in the Philippines is really miserable kind of. Just because since I'm home, I'm back. It's already raining. I don't have any time to go for taking a videos and something. I have, but just few because it has a typhoon first. Like I don't know. I was like, I can count. I guess it's just only 1 day or 2 days that I have seen the sunrise here in the Philippines. And now, as you can see, I'm still here. It takes 4 hours. 4 hours ride from here to the airport. But I guess I still have time. I think so. Thank you, Miss Kay. Miss Kayak 7 Seas. Maraming salamat. Hala, di na gumalaw. Like 7 million in the house. Thank you so much po. As you can see po, the weather is really bad. And as you can see po, yan po yung Baguio Cubao na Genesis. 12 million palike na lang po ang ating live for update. I hope na naririnig naman ninyo ako. I thanks God. Nag-move din. Million, maraming salamat po sa mga nag-drop by. That is this is the weather here now. At yan, marami tayong nadadaanan na mga vegetable, thing. We are in Marcos Highway. And guys, naka-steady po tayo. Kaya, traffic po. Ay, ito pala yun. Ito pala yun. Naging dahilan. Nako po, Roday. Grabing traffic. Nataon pa tayo talaga. Heavy rain is now hoisted.